Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an important topic for all Roblox players: how to prevent Roblox from accessing your contacts. If you're concerned about privacy and want to limit the app's access to your personal information, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open up the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section will show you all the applications installed on your device, including Roblox. Now, find and select the Roblox app from the list. This will take you to the app info page, where you can manage various settings related to Roblox. Next, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of permissions that Roblox is requesting. Now comes the important step. Tap on Contacts. You'll see an option that allows you to manage how Roblox interacts with your contacts. To prevent Roblox from accessing your contacts, simply select Don't Allow. This will ensure that your contacts stay private and aren't shared with the game. And that's it. You've successfully restricted Roblox from accessing your contacts. Remember, keeping control over your personal information is crucial, especially in online environments. For more tips and guides, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.